Before coming to LSP, I was a police officer. Decided to do something different and have a complete career change and come to LSP and do some barbering. Create a lifestyle where I can have some creativity, some flexibility, because I think that's important. I just sort of asked some friends who've been to the school before and they all recommended it. As soon as I had a phone call at LSB, then and there I was like, right, that's the place I need to be. The vibe in here has been awesome. We've got a good balance between professional and fun. I've come from zero barbering experience to this. It's a really good on-ramp into this professional industry. So it's been a real roller coaster for me, but a good one. There's a clear, definite passion here that they want to impart all their knowledge, not keep some for themselves. I want to give everything that I can so that that person has the best chance to grow as a barber and get employment, which is important. I would definitely recommend this place if you wanted a real shot at becoming a barber.